Kubota North America is facing a $2 million civil penalty after misrepresenting the origins of some of its replacement parts for tractors and other agricultural equipment, per a Department of Justice court order. The civil penalty follows a complaint by the Federal Trade Commission, which alleged that since at least 2021, Kubota falsely labeled thousands of wholly imported replacement parts as Made in USA. The agency also accused Kubota of not updating product labels that included recently outsourced parts. According to the FTC, Kubota's acts led to the company selling millions of mislabeled parts that were wholly imported. The $2 million penalty, which Kubota has agreed to pay to the U.S. Treasury, will serve as the largest for a Made in USA labeling rule violation. The stipulated order also prohibits Kubota from making unqualified origin claims for products unless it can prove the product meets labeling rule conditions. The Made in USA labeling rule took effect in August 2021 and states that a product can only carry the label if it adheres to a series of requirements. The product's final processing or assembly and all significant processing must take place in the US. Additionally, all or virtually all of the product's components or ingredients must be made and sourced in the US. The latest violation comes nearly 5 years after the expiration of a 1999 FTC order that accused Kubota Company's subsidiary, Kubota Tractor Company, of violating the FTC Act. The FTC alleged that the subsidiary advertised garden and lawn tractors as made in the United States, despite containing significant imported parts. Kubota did not immediately respond for a request for comment. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.